So this mask is supposed to reduce fine lines, wrinkles. It's supposed to hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, tone your skin, and firm your skin all at once, guys. Seriously. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is all about a facial mask and I would recommend, but it's a little bit on the pricey end. And it is on the Peter Thomas Roth and it is the Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. So I bought this from Sephora about 2 weeks ago and I've tried it about 3 times. What this product actually does for your skin. This mask helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dehydration, dullness and sagging as it strengthens and tones the look of the skin. Skin is left looking silky, soft, radiant, beautiful and youthful. That is amazing. First of all, the packaging is amazing. It's packed with like pink. There are pink roses all around. It comes with a clear packaging. You can see the product through and then the top cap is actually white with the Peter Thomas Roth logo embedded around the cap. I like this type of packaging is because you can literally see how far you have gone through the product. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a very flimsy paper plate like seal. The smell of it is amazing. It smells exactly like the Fresh Rose facial toner, and then the gel-like texture, it got me a reminder of the Good Look hair gel. If you're born in the 90s, you guys would know. I'll throw a picture right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask on my face with a rubber brush so I don't lose any product. And upon application, I would definitely say that it's a little bit cooling, very calming, very relaxing. So I let it sit about like 10 minutes on my face and then you go ahead and just wash it off. After this, a facial mask, if you want to put on your normal skincare, you can do so. So after rinsing the mask off my face, I still could feel the cool sensation as when I was applying the mask. It did brighten my skin and hydrate my skin so much. So this mask is suitable for all skin types, and how you can actually use this mask, there's 2 ways to use this mask. Before your makeup or after your makeup. So before your makeup, you apply this 10 minutes, rinse it off, apply your serum, your primer and then your makeup and you're good to go. You can apply it for a 10 minutes mask after your makeup, or you can apply it as an overnight mask. So overnight mask is once you've done all your skincare, all your routine, and the last thing is you put this on your face, a very thin layer, and then you go to bed and you wake up. That's it. That's the overnight mask. After about like the 4th use, I could see a difference when it came to my lines on my face, my wrinkles. It did reduce down because of the hydration. So my overall thoughts about this product is, number 1, okay, I like to see what is happening inside my mask. I like the translucent packaging. The thing I do not like about this mask is the cap. It has like a gel-like formula and this type of like a very flimsy cap would not work. For the price of this product, I prefer that they would have like a very compact seal, like it just like seals the product in every single time you use it. It's not airtight. That is the one thing that could do a little bit better, is because if I press it, it's gonna go in, and every single time I try to take it out and put it back in, it's like going all over the place. It feels like it wants to go in the tub, out the tub, and it has like that popping thing out. That is the only thing that I do not like about this mask. Besides that, the smell of the mask is amazing. The feeling of the mask is amazing. It feels so relaxing. Upon application, it feels so cooling on the skin. If you want like the best experience, pop it into your fridge. But without even popping into the fridge, I've got the best experience. So after 10 minutes, I washed it off and I could still feel the cooling sensation. But is it worth it? I say it is 100% worth it. So yeah, so that is it, guys. I really hope that I give you guys a little bit insight for you guys to decide whether you want to purchase it or not, because the price point can be a little bit heavy. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.